Hello everyone, today we'll talk about the problem sum of left leaves. Here we're given the root of a binary tree, so we're given a binary tree, and we have to return the sum of values in all the left leaves in this tree. And leaves are those three nodes, so nodes that have no children, and left leaves are ones that are the left child of their parent. So we're going to take this one, we're going to take this one, we're not going to take this one since while a leaf it's a right child of its parent. This problem is a simple example of the situation where we can just recurse to both the subtrees and add their results together, so the number of left leaves in the left subtree and the right subtree. And we also have to have a base case, and the easiest way to solve this base case would be if we are here in this node, we can just check if the left child is actually a leaf, so there is nothing here. And in that case we add its value to the result. And that's all there is to it, so this is the function that will give us the value of that node, assuming of course it's a leaf. We only call it on our left child, so in that case we can be sure that it's a left leaf. And of course we have to recurse to our left and right subtrees.